Hey, how's it going everybody? My name's Hunter. Welcome back to a brand new Minecraft video. Today, I'm just going to quickly go over the DELUMINATOR from the Harry Potter series in Minecraft. Now, this video is going to be completely unedited, so please bear with me. Alright, so basically I'm going to get the DELUMINATOR. There are two items, just the trident and the empty map. Set this to night real quick. Now, basically, the DELUMINATOR from the Harry Potter series, if you didn't know, steals all the light in the area from all the light sources and brings it into the DELUMINATOR, which is a device. So the device captures all the light and can give the light back to the sources of the light whenever you click the button or flick it off, whatever. So I'm going to show you this real quick just by throwing this trident. And then I steal all the light from the light sources. Now I can give it back by clicking on this map. Gives all of it back. And I can steal it back again. And it's the same. I can go back and forth just flicking the lights off and on. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is. It's just a light switch, I guess, but in your inventory with some cool particle effects that I've added. Now, I'm going to show you just the basics of the DELUMINATOR. So if you just want to make it so you can turn off lights and turn them on from your inventory, this is the part, and then I'll tell you when you can click off. So don't get scared by all these command blocks. You only need these three here and then these three here. Now, it's a lot of typing, so bear with me here as I go through these, but it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is copy and paste these, or relative to copy and pasting, do it at your own liking. So the first one for the trident, that is, we have a repeat command block set to always active, just killing all thrown tridents by doing /kill at E type thrown trident. Now this basically, I don't know if you can really guess, but as soon as you throw the trident, it spawns an entity called the thrown trident, and it's like when the trident is on the ground, this command block just detects all thrown tridents and tries to kill them. And if it does, it activates this command block, which is a chain command block set to always active, just like the rest of, well, all of these, but these three here. And then this is replace item entity at A, which is replacing an item in an entity's inventory, which is us, because we're doing at A, so that's all players. Slot.hotbar, which is, you know, our hotbar. 0, which is the very first one here, and then trident. Just so when we do throw this trident, if we were in survival, we're not, you know, losing the trident and having to pick it up, because, well, it's going to get killed here anyways, so we won't be able to. Now, the third one, the very last one for the trident, if you're just going for some simplicity. This one, fill coordinates soul lantern 0, replace lanterns. So basically, we are looking for these lanterns here. Okay, well, I need to turn them back on if I want to be accurate with this. All right, turn back on. Now, we're getting this coordinate here for this lantern here. So for me, it would be well, let's just say here, -2, 8, -14. And then, this is going to break, actually, yeah. All right, and then we're going all the way over here, finding this coordinate here, 2, 8, 25. Let's just say that. That's approximate. That's not what I actually have, I don't think. Now, we're doing that. We're putting /fill, then those coordinates I just got. Soul lantern 0, replace lantern. So basically it's replacing all the lanterns that are lit with soul lanterns, which are like somewhat dim. That's as dim as you're going to get from a lantern. There's no unlit lantern that I know of, at least, that you can use. So we're just using soul lanterns instead. So you get these. Now, for the filled maps, we're simply clearing my inventory for filled maps. So when I use this empty map, it creates a filled map. So you can see it glitching out at the bottom left. Having some writing, that is the filled map getting cleared. And then it's always active, and on a repeat command block, then we go to the chain and always active command block. And then we're replacing the first hotbar slot, so that's the second one. I know it's kind of confusing, but and then we're replacing it with an empty map, just so when I do get a filled map, it's replaced with an empty map immediately, so I can use the empty map again. Now, on to the third one. We're doing the exact same for the fill command, but this time, instead of soul lanterns first, we replace them with lanterns, and we're replacing, we're replacing the soul lanterns with lanterns. Now, all these chain command blocks, including all of these, are all conditional. So chain, conditional, always active. They're all the same. Chain, conditional, always active. Now, if you're going for simplicity, I advise you click off now, because it's going to get very complex and probably really hard to follow. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope this worked for you. Let me know in the comments below. Appreciate it. Now, on to the people who like, I don't know, an extra dash of flavor. We're going into the optional command blocks right now. We're going to start with the trident. So the optional, the very first one is just playing a sound. If you want to get this exact sound, you can feel free to just write this down and put it in for yourself. It's basically just playing the conduit sound effect at a higher pitch and a higher speed, I think. I'm pretty sure higher pitch, though. Now, after that sound is played, it goes into a summon armor stand, summon armor stand, summon armor stand. So basically, these ones you can't just copy and paste for your own world, because they're very specific to my world. Basically, all of these armor stands are spawned however many blocks above the lanterns. So if you come up here, you can see this like red floor, and then all of these in the middle of these little like barrier cages. This is where the lantern is below. Sorry, the lantern's below by like 23 blocks, something like that. I can't do quick math, but I can tell you it's underneath. So basically, all the armor stand blocks, all the armor stand command blocks I was just going through, each one spawns an armor stand in the cage of these. Now, with that, a boat at the very end here gets summoned above the player. So me and the boat gets summoned up there. And then if you want to copy that, go ahead. Basically, I have a command block somewhere else. Now, this is where it gets really, really fucky. All right, so please bear with me here. This one, levitate boat. Basically, we're executing a command onto the player themselves. So at P or at A, whatever you want to do. At A, I think will be a lot trickier to do, so I'd recommend just one person, and I'd recommend, having one person at a time use this device or these command blocks, because it'll get really fucky trying to get two different people. You can, however, like, instead of using a boat, use like a mob that has a name tag, and then you can assign said mob to said person, just so, I don't know, there's less confusion, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how you would do that, but if you want more than one person using the DELUMINATOR, then I guess that's what you're going to have to do. But basically, this command block here just levitates the boat above me, 23 blocks above me, by teleporting the boat, 23 blocks above me. Always active and repeat, just like all these command blocks here. Now, I gotta go over the other ones as well. All right, please bear with me. So basically, all the armor stands up there. Jesus Christ, I don't know how to go through this. All right, so I'm executing a command against all the armor stands to teleport themselves where they are So they don't move here because we have tilde, 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 which means they just stay in place, but facing the boat, which is above me. Now all of them just face towards the boat. So this is the boat, and then these are the armor stands. They face towards the boat. Yeah. Now, with that though, the armor stands with this command block here also teleport towards the armor stands teleport towards the boat using this command here. We're executing a command against the armor stands, teleporting themselves towards where they're looking. So yeah, I don't know how to explain the up arrow things. So if you're looking for an explanation on how that works, I don't know. I'd recommend just sticking with what I have written down because that seems to work. Not exactly sure on the technicalities of the up arrow thing, but basically in a gist, it has to do with where they're looking, I'm pretty sure. All right. And then we already went over that. Purple particles. This is what the whole thing is for, is just for the particles. So we're executing a command against the armor stands to do particle Minecraft Dragon Breath Trail 23 blocks below it. So that way, when all the armor stands go towards the boat, all the particles are coming towards me, the player. And then as soon as the boat comes in contact with the armor stands, it kills the armor stands. Or sorry, it kills the armor stands that it comes in contact with using kill at E type armor stand, range 1. And that's executing a command against the boat. Now, if you didn't find that confusing, I congratulate you because you might actually be able to follow through with this next one, which is the filled map. Wait, yeah, we just did the trident, right? Yeah, we just did the trident. Now we're going to go through the filled map, and then we'll go over this one here. Now, the filled map, filled map here, plays the sound, the exact same conduit sound. You can change the numbers here to play with how it sounds, but after this, we summon a villager above the lamp posts, or above the lanterns, I should say, sorry. All using different names. So from A to F, there's a villager named A, there's a villager named B, there's a villager named C, and so on, all the way down to F. And then we summon a pig above the player using an execute command, executing against the player, summoning a pig 23 blocks above, naming it A, and then naming it B, and so on, all the way down to F. Now, the pigs face the villagers just like the armor stands face the boat. So we'll go over this. Teleport pigs. Wait, where's the face command? There we go. So for the A pig, we execute at E type pig name A. So for the A pig, it's A, and then we're teleporting itself. We're making it teleport itself to where it is. So we don't change where it is yet by using tilde, 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 facing, and then we're facing the villager that corresponds with its name. So if it's the A pig, it's facing towards the A villager. If it's the B pig, it's facing the B villager, so on and so forth. Now, with that, as it's facing the villager, it's teleporting itself 1 block towards it. So we're using execute at E type pig, range 100, tilde, 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 teleport itself. Once again, don't know how the up arrows exactly work, but it's teleporting itself 1 block forward to where it's looking. And then as soon as it comes into contact, or sorry, as soon as the villagers come into contact with a pig, it kills the pig using execute at E type villager, tilde, 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 kill at E type pig, range 1. Range 1 is important because if the pig is inside of this block where the villager is, so let's say this is the villager, the pig is in this block here, it kills the pig. But if it's in one of these 2 blocks, it doesn't, because that is range of 2. Now, on to the particle. Execute at E type pig, range 100, tilde, tilde, tilde. Particle, Minecraft, redstone wire dust particle, which is the red particle, 23 blocks below. So tilde, tilde, minus 23, tilde. Now, on to the very last subject. I mean, we can go over that, but it's really not necessary. Test for armor stands. So we're doing /test4 at E type armor stands, range 100. Now this is repeat, always active, and there's a comparator against it. So if it doesn't detect a armor stand, this turns off and then activates this command block, which just kills all the boats using kill at E type boat, range 100. Impulse needs redstone. Test for type pig, range 100. Repeat, always active. If it doesn't detect it, then it kills all the villagers using kill at E type villager, range 100. Now, I know that was a lot of words and a lot of commands, and you know, pretty hard to follow through, so feel free to pause, and I'm hoping that this is going to be somewhat easy to follow through on, or follow through with, sorry. This here is just like a little easy thing, so I don't have to keep giving myself a trident and a filled map through the creative menu, so I just give myself the DELUMINATOR using these 2 commands. It's just the replace item commands that we went through earlier. And then for this one, give just set day and night. I mean, this has nothing to do with it, but if you want to, there's just a line of redstone going into a command block, time set night, then a repeater going into a block with a torch on it, redstone torch on it, time set day. So if this command block's off, this command block's on. If this command block's on, then this command block's off. Now, for this time turn on effects, it pretty much just goes through the whole particle thing, so I can do the turn off effect. I get the particles and all that from all the lamps, and you can see all the mobs above. That's pretty much just the command blocks we went through, but without the turning on and off of the lights. But yeah, that's about it. Please let me know if that was hard to follow through on. I don't know, do my best to help out, I guess. Maybe I don't know what I'll do, but please let me know if you were able to follow through with this and if it was easy enough to understand. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching.